If you are just starting out online and you are looking for a way to make money in the online space, or maybe you're a freelancer but you need some money or some additional income, or you don't even know the gig that you want to set up on your account, right? In this video, I want to show you one particular gig that you can render in 5 different spaces and you can make tons of money for yourself only if you do what is required, which I'm going to explain every bit of this. Now, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and let us come together while we make this money together with this particular service that you are going to render in the online space. So this is going to be for everybody that wants to work online or looking for a way to start up a side hustle in the online space, or as a freelancer looking for a gig to set up, right? Now I'm going to show you this service and also 5 different places you can sign up to right now, and you render this so you can get paid, right? So it's something easy and you can do with your smartphone, so you don't have any excuse that I don't have laptop computer, I don't have I'm a novice in the online space, I don't have this, I don't have that. So this is something you can do everywhere and anywhere you are, right? Now what this service is called beta testing, right? Now what is beta testing, right? Is you testing out a website that is not officially launched, or maybe an app, or maybe a game, or maybe any app or anything at all that is not officially launched, but they want you to test it, detect the bugs, and also maybe give your honest opinion about what you feel about it, the user interface, the user experience, anything at all about the particular thing that they want you to do. All right, so people and companies are paying a whole lot of people outside there to test all of their apps, their website, to make sure it's well organized before they launch it to the general public. Now you are going to be part of the person that they will be paying henceforth, because right now I will show you 5 websites that you can sign up to and get this job, and you can make anywhere between $10 per task to up to $200, right? It's something you can do basically from anywhere, like I said. And also I will show you how you can withdraw your money and get paid straight to your Nigeria bank account, and everything that you need to do to put everything in place and you don't lose out your fund in the online space doing this service, right? And I don't want you to have any excuse than to jump on it right now, and let's scale up together. Right now, coming over to my screen, the first one right here is called betatesting.com, right? Betatesting.com is one of the websites I've tried out and work about this particular service. All you need to do right here is to click on join as a beta tester, and you are going to see the information you need to join, which is going to be like your email and your personal information. Now you are going to put in your email right here, and you are going to sign up on your account, and you can see these are the trusted companies that they've worked with, and you can just click on there and put in your email right there. If you want more jobs and you want to get more valuable jobs that's going to pay you higher, all you need to do is to just add Windscribe to your browser right here, as you can see, then connect it to United States, United Kingdom, or any other European country, so you can use that to sign up in the other countries, right? So you just put in your email. And the second website right there is called user testing. User testing is one of the websites that you can use to make money with this particular service as well. So right here, all you need to do is just click on start here, and you can see right here you are going to see I want to make money online. Then you click on that and you are good. All right, so once you click on this, it's going to take you to this page where you are going to input your details, and you can just apply and you get test, and you can make money for everything that you do on here. Right now, the third website that you can do this on is enrollapp.com, right? You can find links to every of these websites in the description below, and also the first link in the description is my WhatsApp community link, where you can join and participate in any other discussion, and we share ideas before we come over right here on YouTube. Right now, if you come over to enrollapp.com, all you need to do right here is to click on register. Once you click on register right there, is going to redirect you to a place where you're going to sign up. As you can see right here, we are going to just sign up with your email and password, or you continue with Google, and you are in already. Now the next one right here is user fuel. All right, so all you need to do, this is so simple, is for you to just come over right here, click on get paid to test. Okay, once you click on get paid to test, it's going to load up for you where you can sign up as a beta tester, and you can scale up together. You can see this, the attention and every of the information. You are just going to take your time to read through, and you can see right here become a tester. Okay, they say registration is closed at the moment, but let me show you the hack. Now if I come over right here and I connect my VPN to like UK or United States. Let me just connect this to United States, as you can see right here. So let's just see. Okay, so it's still connecting. Now it's connected. Now I'm just going to refresh this, and we are going to see what is going to happen right here. Okay, you can see. Did you see that? Now this is because I'm in Nigeria, and right now I can just use United States profile to sign up. Okay, so you can do this for every of the other ones too, to get more quality jobs. Right now, the last website that I'm going to walk you through is fiverr.com. As you can see right here, beta testing on Fiverr only has 181 results. So after all of this, now let's talk about how you are going to get paid. All of these websites pays with PayPal, right? As you know, PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria. But then now I've prepared a course for you on how to create a PayPal account in up to 20 different countries that works perfectly right here in Nigeria, that you can use to receive your earnings in anywhere from the world, and also have your money withdraw from all of this online space to your local bank account now. And you can see the link to access this course in the description below. Just click on that and you can get access to this particular course, and you can learn how to create a fully verified PayPal account right here in Nigeria in up to 20 different countries, and also how you can exchange it, how you can withdraw your money, how you can handle your limitation, and also how you can manage your account and have your funds safe and secure without any hassle, without any risk, and also how to become an exchanger and help people to exchange money by helping them to receive their money in the online space. Also, if you want to create a PayPal account for people, how you can turn that to a business and make money for yourself as a side hustle right now. And how about you just pick yourself up and you carry your PC, sign up on all these 5 websites and list out your service as a beta tester? How much do you think you can accumulate every other month? Imagine you making like $13 every week on each. How much is that in a month, right? I want you to drop that in the comment section. And if you want more video like this and a full update like this that's going to make you money, and how you can scale up your career as an online entrepreneur, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I drop a video like this. And also like this video, share with your friend. Don't forget to click the first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community, where we share updates and answer questions in real time, right? But before then, guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular service, and also maybe let me know your current state in the online space so I can know how to be of help. And don't forget to join my WhatsApp community. All right, now see you in the next video. Until then, guys, stay at peace.